All right, easy now. Bring her back slowly.
Back slowly.
Okay, boys, let's go. Nice and easy now. Keep them moving.
Keep moving, gently now. Clear the path to the main floor.
Looks good down here, making sure it's even. All right, I'll finish this section and head back.
The cardiac rhythm is strong and the scan is clear. Mark this one complete and bring in the next bull.
Okay, bring the next one to Bay 3.
Confirmed. Quality check looks good on this batch.
Thickness is good here. How's the texture looking? It's perfect. Smooth finish. We are holding steady at the target temperature. Okay, these sheets feel good. Let's keep the line moving. The texture feels perfect, and the thickness is spot on according to the gauge.
Agreed. Send it to the next stage.
This batch looks perfect. Send it to station 3. Confirmed. Moving to the next set.
Here, our skilled technicians examine the stitching and finishing, ensuring every leather bag meets our premium quality standards.
Keep an eye on the calibration figures. We need to maintain this consistency. Roger that. The next batch is ready to go.